Today I'd like to tell you about a free streaming service that owners of select Samsung smart TVs and mobile devices can access absolutely free. Samsung TV Plus is a free ad-supported live TV streaming service built into certain Samsung smart TVs and is a downloadable app for many Samsung mobile devices. Many of you may be wondering what that little icon is on your Samsung TV's home menu. To access TV Plus, press the home button on your remote control, then use the right arrow to scroll over and click OK. Press the down arrow twice to bring up the channel guide. It functions a lot like a TV's electronic program guide. In the US, over 160 free channels are available and over 40 free channels in Canada. It's another completely free streaming option available for select Samsung TV and device owners, and one of many free TV options for those looking to shrink their monthly TV bill.